My name is Bryant Grigsby. I'm from Phoenix DeVentures. Unlike the rest of the speakers, I am not looking for money. So I'm a service provider and a sponsor here. So I'll spend a couple minutes talking about what we do at Phoenix DeVentures and then go through and do the same thing, introduce everybody else. Phoenix DeVentures has been around 23 years. We're a vertically integrated product development, manufacturing, and sterilization firm. Sterilization's new for us, and I'll talk about that in a minute. So we have a very strong track record of getting our clients successfully to market. And what I mean by that is most everybody here wants to get picked up by a strategic. Our customers have been picked up by the likes of BD, Stryker, Medtronic, let's see who else, Bosch, Valiant, Abbott. So we've got a nice strong track record of having our customers picked up. We've even had a couple of them go public. And to do that, we like to make sure that we're vertically integrated. We understand that it's an iterative process. We understand there's lots and lots of steps, and that it's not the technology that fails. It's not the clinical results typically that fails. It's running out of money. So as a startup, everybody here is pitching, trying to get more money, and time to market is critical for that. And as you go through all the different iterations, you need to be able to move fast between each of the steps. So if you have an outside molder and you have an outside clean room and you have an outside design firm, each of those handoffs takes lots and lots of time. So we have most of that in-house. So we have 3 locations. I'll show you a map of that in a second. But we've got R&D facilities. So we've got a couple thousand square feet of lab bench space that's highly collaborative. We have customers in our facility, in our labs every single day. We have clean rooms. A lot of manufacturers will not allow you in the clean room. We have clean rooms that we won't allow customers in, just like everyone else, but we have a clean room set aside so that our customers can be in the clean room doing their development. One of the things that we find extremely advantageous is to have our customers in our facility. And so we have 3 facilities. Again, I'll show you a map here in just a second to help enable that. We've been in every part of the body. With 500 customers in the last 23 years, we've touched just about everything. We do manufacturing of low volume products, 25 parts a month, and we do high volume. We've got the green pen thing up on the I guess it's on your left. We've got that we run 20,000 of those a month. And so having the end-to-end capabilities allows us to go to whatever scale you need. As we've noticed in the last couple of years, you used to be able to go and get acquired as soon as you have your 510K. Now, a lot of the strategics want to see successful commercialization, so we have the ability to do that. We also have a partner facility offshore if you need to actually get to higher volumes and start working those margins. One of our big new exciting things, some of you have been following the ETO issues that have been going on. So last week, the EPA did announce that they are going to be restricting the emissions on ETO. We've been working for the last about 1.5 to 2 years on developing a scalable chlorine dioxide sterilization system. So what you see there is our validation system and our generator. And that allows you, as a startup, to be able to go in with a small batch and go through all the validations without having to pay for a large chamber. It runs just the same as you would with an ETO sterilization. It's a pure gas, so if you can do it with ETO, generally speaking, you can do it with CD. It doesn't tend to cause lithium batteries to blow up and have as many issues with electronics. And so it's a pretty nice option. It's been around in the food industry for a very long time. It started in the 50s in water, but it is new to Medtech. It is currently a novel method, and we're hoping in the not too distant future that it'll turn into a Class A sterilization method. We're intending on having our system internally validated by the end of April, early May, and then we'll submit all of our required documentation to the FDA and hopefully get the thumbs up here in the not too distant future to start offering commercial sterilization. We are offering right now, we are able to offer testing. So if you've got a product that you want to do some sanity checks and see if this modality is even feasible, we can do that. So our headquarters is in Silicon Valley in Morgan Hill, California. We've got the large R&D space and the clean rooms and mold making, white space, tool making, molding, everything end to end, guest cubes. And then in Lehi, Utah, we've got a smaller facility, but again, it has everything. We've got a clean room bubble, metal printers, and R&D space. And then in Colorado, we actually have incubator space. So if you need to rent out a space and want to have access to some labs, we've got a couple thousand square feet of incubator space. And again, time to market is, we all know, is the critical thing. And so having that side-by-side integrated engineering, product development, manufacturing, when you have folks that do the molding, looking at your product, they're going, we hear this all the time, I printed it, it works. And then the molding technicians and the molding engineers go, yeah, no. And so you skip that iteration cycle. So we're just out here on just in front of the room here, so you can stop by, grab a brochure on sterilization if you're interested in CD sterilization.